Hello, Breezeway Manor Apartments. How may I help you? Are you looking for an apartment? Why, yes, you're in luck. One just came open today. It goes for $450 per month, including water. The apartment is on the first floor. It's very close to our swimming pool. Shall I hold it for you? The first floor is very close to our swimming pool. Shall I hold it for you? I'll need 1 month's rent as a deposit as soon as possible. Shall I hold it for you? What is your name? I'll see you soon. I'm sorry, I don't understand. Excuse me? I beg your pardon?